Okay, so good evening. First of all, good evening.
Very good evening, and thanks for greeting me. Good evening. Yeah, please introduce yourself.
Okay, thank you for giving this opportunity. So basically, my name is Ravindra Singh, and I'm from Madhya Pradesh. I have done my graduation, and nowadays I'm doing preparing for some competitive exams, and simultaneous I'm running on my YouTube channel. And if I'm talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies and web series, listening music, and most of the my I like hobbies traveling. So I like traveling. Yeah,
Very
that's about
nice.
me.
Very nice. Okay, should I introduce myself?
Yes. Actually, I'm also interacting with first time. So please.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. And my name is Shilpa. I'm speaking from Delhi. I have completed my post graduation from the IGNOU University, and currently I am running my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Grow with Shilpa. If you can, you can support me. So I will be thankful for you. And apart from this, I am as a accountant and I work at logistic company. That's all about
Oh,
myself. Thank you so much.
yeah, that's really good. Yeah, actually, I saw your lots of videos in your YouTube channel.
Okay. Okay. Did you like it?
Yes, yeah, actually, I saw your two and three videos for conversation videos for about in your YouTube channel.
Okay.
And yeah, I'm also through yeah, I contact with you lots of times. I'm talking with you, and I do test in your message. And finally, today I'm connected with you, so I'm very glad with you talking with you.
Thank you so much. Actually, I didn't get much time to speak with the people, but I hardly managed to make my time to connect with the people. So I have the time that I made my time for you.
Okay, thank you. No, this is good because you no because you utilize your time and when you free time, so then you connect with the people. So that's really appreciate you because you are also told me you are doing job. So this is not possible. You maintain on all things. So that's really appreciate your hard work.
Okay. Now I want to ask a question that how much people do you speak? Did you speak till now?
Actually, mostly I am only talking with like a three to four people only. But yeah, I use another app for audio call. In an audio call, I am speaking with lots of people, but in audio. But yeah, now I'm starting for a video conversation because nowadays I feel confidence. Yeah, I'm able to speak with people. So through in video calls. So yeah, now it's starting one. I'm also YouTube my YouTube channel. Main this purpose improve my English communication and so that's this is my main motto. Improve my English communication.
Okay. I want to ask something that is how long are you using this platform?
Actually, I observe. I'm also pure six. If I have been using for 6 months, around 6 months, and I actually I using a lots of platform for like no for Josh Talk app. No, I using a Josh Talk app in for audio call, and because nowadays lots of social medias are platform available like Ace Frequency, and so many other apps are I'm using it. So that's basically like around 1 year completed for like speaking and learning journey for me.
Good, very good. Okay, you have used Jaws Talk. So
Yes,
did you pay anything there?
yes. Actually, this is a paid subscription. If you are interested, like a 3 month and 1 year. So if you are able to pay 3 months for 5,000, sorry 500, and if you are will be buy 1 year subscription, so 1,000.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
after you buy
Yeah.
subscription. Yes, yes.
Okay, how was your experience?
Yes, my if I'm talk about in a Joe Stock app, so my experience was great because that claim in that particular platform, you find an easy partner anytime. If you are free, so that time you utilize your time and you search any partner. So you usually find your partner and talking with each other. So that's a or second one thing is no any time foundation means if you are able to 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, so depend on you. If you are able to speak 1 hour, 2 hours, so depend on you. You eligible for talking with any partner.
Okay, there are existing some teachers or any learners.
No, no. Actually, this platform is given facilities only interact with peoples, each other. For example, you and me are interested learning English, so that time you buy subscription, and when you calling option, given a one calling option, so you search call them, so connect with people. Any, for example, I'm in MP and you from Delhi, so connect each other and talking with each other, and then cut the call. And the second you cut the call, and then search, so second person connect with me. So that type of doing exercise activity in this platform.
Okay, it means there are not teacher is not
No,
available there.
no, teacher is not available. There are four sections are available. First is calling. Second is grammar portion, and third one is video. One short video, like a 5 minute, 10 minutes about a particular one topic. And third one is a comprehensive type. Comprehensive means your reading practice. So 4 to 5 sections are available in doing a particular one by one work. And after complete your one chapter, you will be eligible to calling for people. So you will call people, so connect with easily, and you talk with each other. Means learner person connect with each other and doing practice.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, in this platform, I am thinking that we should practice our English. So, do you have any idea about the Chinese speaking?
No, no. Actually, I not listen Chinese speaking.
Okay, let me tell you. Chinese speaking is I have to speak 2 to 3 lines random. Then
Okay.
from where I stop, you have to speak from the same line using the matlab, after that you have to speak. Then you
Okay.
have stop from I have to from that point I have to choose my sentences. I have to speak my
Okay.
sentence. So got it? Can we start now? Na? Right now,
Okay.
I no
Yes, yes.
problem. Okay. Okay, fine. So yesterday I was going somewhere. I stumbled upon my best friend. I kept speaking. I kept talking about about my friend. After that, you have to speak.
Okay. So actually, when today I went to one place in a market. That time I was.
I said, "Do you know about the Hindi? Do you know Hindi?"
Yes, yes,
ओके मैं
yes.
आपको हिंदी में समझाती हूँ जैसे कि 2 3 लाइन पहले मैंने बोला इंग्लिश में वहीं से मैंने स्टॉप किया जहां पर वहीं से उसी लाइन से आपको आगे खींचना है उसी मतलब लाइन को ठीक है आपको अपने उस जैसे कि मैंने जहां खत्म किया वहीं से आपको स्टार्ट करना है फिर आपने स्टॉप किया मेरे को स्टार्ट करना है दिस इज द चेन स्पीकिंग दिस इज
Chinese
रैंडम
speaking.
रैंडम
Random.
होगा ना जो भी होगा रैंडम कन्वर्सेशन होगा तो हमें माइंड में एक नया ही मतलब नया ही
Okay,
वेव
okay,
मिलेगा बात करने का Got it?
okay,
Let's
okay,
again Chan speaking. Okay, let's start. Yesterday I went to the market and I have to purchase something. So I was purchasing something. Meanwhile, I found my best friend. I started talking with him then.
okay. So when meet my best friends, so talking with each other, and they share about our childhood memories, like what happened with me, like because me and my friend did lots of activities both in childhood days. So he share about what happened in our when I was childhood is when I was in a study in, in class time. So that time doing all happens story told me. So then I remember in my mind, and then I feel happy. Yeah, that watch time is very good because this is our childhood is. Yeah.
Okay. When I met my friend, I started having conversation with. I liked it so much, and I saw we were involving very much. So we thought that why should not we go somewhere to talk and to remember the childhood memory? So we went from there any cafe. There we ordered coffee and we started having our coffee and we started having conversation then.
Okay, yeah. Actually, after that, reached on cafe. So, like, order this coffee. So then I think that time I think about our future because say about what happened nowadays. So my friend told me because nowadays I'm running on my own business. Please tell me about what happened you. So I'm telling you about my life. Yeah, I'm also doing some preparing for some competitive exams. And yeah, so that time's not only for focus on any competitive exams.
Okay. And I also shared my about my what I want to what I want to become in the future. So we started sharing each other perspectives. So we liked it so much, and after that we decided to become a partner and to open a new business. We started having conversation about the business, about the new business, how we can start, or how what the thing can be used there. So we were started having the conversation about the business.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So that time, click on one idea in my mind and share about my friends. Why not open your own cafe? Because nowadays is the MBA Chaiwala and his cafe is nowadays really running on and make every business. And you also listen one and only Topri Chaiwala is very famous nowadays. His Meta will be meet Bill Gates. So it's a very good business. Can you agree with me?
Yeah, sure. I have told him that yes, I wanted to join you. I wanted to become partner because I was thinking about so many times that I should have a partner, but this is a good opportunity to start new things. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah, you okay. That's good because you thinking similar to me. I'm also thinking that type of business because nowadays I'm also very travel in my life. So I am interested in push a new adventure in my life, and I'm also very interested in a business. So can you start?
Yeah. We started having conversation that we will start together, but it will take some time. After that, we had the coffee and we went our respective home. That's it. How did you feel this conversation?
Yeah, that's really good because in this topic, you like a make a new, no, you kind of actually like a new things add, and your mind is also click new story, make a new story. So
Yes,
that's really good. This is a
I
random.
liked it this thing, this activity, I liked it so much. So I thought I should do that. So I asked to you, you have liked it so much, and I liked it so much. Yeah. If you liked it, if you want to connect with me, you can message me. We will connect together again.
Yes,
Correct?
yes. Yeah, actually, I'm also very glad talking with you. And this is also very new topic for me. So yeah, definitely I will message and test you. And you also test me in like a new topics. Which topic? So I'm also thinking and then make a conversation, any topic.
Actually, I'm pondering inside my mind by when you are talking about the topic. Actually, I'm thinking that we should share any topic so that we have some knowledge about the topic, or we can talk
Yes.
about that topic.
Oh,
So
yes.
we will share to each other.
Okay, okay. Yes,
Any
okay, no
problem?
problem. No,
If you don't
no.
have,
Actually, I'm interested. Yes,
yeah.
actually, I'm interested on this topic. So this is a very good one. Okay, thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you so much for
Bye.
giving your
Thank you.
precious time. Thank you.